E.L.F. is one of my all-time favorite beauty brands for a few reasons. Number one, the quality is amazing, and number two, the price point. And what's even more amazing is that you get such high quality at such a great price point. They also come out with new things all the time. So, of course, when I saw these being released, I had to try it. First of all, I just love this type of applicator. And I love that this one is fairly small because I think that gives you more control when you're applying it and getting it exactly where you want. Also worth mentioning, these highlighters are enriched with 2% squalene, so it's also good for your skin. I'm gonna be using the shade Rose You Slay. I like to start off with just a little bit because I don't know how pigmented it's gonna be, and you can always build up. And it is really pigmented. You can see how much color that added. Yep, I'm gonna end up getting these in every color.